What's up, guys? Good morning. It's freaking cold out. It is 19 degrees, which is very cold for North Carolina. Um, we're gonna get ready to have a couple days off. We're gonna have to figure out a few things on this car. One, the heat. Two, we gotta figure out some of these interior lights just so I can have like a light in the back, cup holder. The other big issue is gonna be windshield wipers. Thankfully, it hasn't like rained, but that's probably not gonna be something we're gonna fix this time or this week. So let's see if this starts up, give a little choke and go from there. Too much choke, maybe. Come on. Really cold out, so alright, let's sing, heat up for a few minutes, and then we'll get home. So alright, stay tuned. We got it warmed up. It's still cold as can be, but found some gloves. We'll put those on, and then let's head out. Alright, so we got our first problem. I'm stuck in second gear. I guess I can ride home in second gear. Got it. Oh yeah. Let's hope it makes it home. Alright, I got third gear. Good. We're gonna have to put this on the lift to figure out the shifting again. So the other problem got fixed. Alright. Well, good news is I made it home. The bad news is we got to figure out the shifter. I had to come home in fourth the whole time. So I had to run a couple stop signs, but we'll start working on that, and then we'll see you guys here in a little bit. Thanks for watching Callahan Garage.